cringiest thing a biker can ever do. Hazards अपने क्यों चालू रखे हैं? What's holy mother of God? What is this? Another day, another idiot, and another idiot, and another ride. Idiots everywhere. Man, I'm so glad to have my voice back. God damn, it was one hell of a fucking misery. I was miserable. Hey, Lokesh Bhai almost had his ears up in rebellion. Oh no. Every time, dude. Every time I forget. Now I'm too lazy. And it's just this patch I'm hoping. ओहो विंटर है नहीं बट विंटर के मजे लिए जा रहे हैं. ये किस चीज़ की शेकोटी ले रहे इधर. ठीक है. So the thing is that every time I ride in the night, I always think of getting my clear visor on, and every time I forget. And while I'm getting ready to get on the bike, I have obviously my visor open, right? So I don't notice that I have a dark visor on. Only when I get moving, and once I get to a certain speed, I close my visor. That's when I realize, oh, this was a dark visor. Same thing happened the other day while on my ride to IBW. That ride was, we left at 2 o'clock. तो भाई पूरा टाइम मैं ऐसे ही भाई पूरा डार्क वाइजर में. दैट इज़ वेरी रिस्की गाइज. नॉट अलाउड recommending it. Don't be a stupid ass idiot like me. I'm very low on fuel and it looks like I've exhausted my range as well, so I'll have to quickly fuel up. नहीं तो ये राइड शुरू होते ही ख़त्म हो जाएगी. बट कोई नहीं, यीशु मेरे साथ है. Because today is 24th of December. It's the Christmas Eve. And I'm on my way to South Mumbai. South Mumbai इसलिए because that's where the actual Christmas vibe is. Oh man, my feet, they feel so stiff right now. I've just unboxed these new pair of boots. It's not a promotion. I've just been sent these boots to test out and share my feedback. These are by the way by a brand called Hanley, which is a creator-led brand, and the creator is Bulu Bhai. He was kind enough to send me one pair and allow me to test it out. And they are very stiff right now, which is why I thought I'll just wear them in a city ride like this, where I can properly break them in and get used to the shape and dynamics. Uske baad फिर I don't want to break into these boots on a ride, right? Look at this side, how relaxed, nice, and look at that side, how miserable. आते टाइम बहुत लगने वाली है भाई. देखा मैं बोला ना, पूरा एयरपोर्ट के बाद खाली है. देखो, दिस इज द एयरपोर्ट एंड इट इज ऑल फुली. नेवर माइंड. See, it is all empty, dude. No one knows this city better than me.
कि आप यहाँ आ जाए.
Follow your heart and your heart. That's what I'm doing, guys. That's what I'm doing. Hazards अपने क्यों चालू रखे हैं? What's? Are you carrying a red flag, which is why you have your hazards on? You see what I did there? Look at whatever this is. I don't know how easy driving this in Mumbai, both in terms of traffic and in terms of legality. But holy mother of God, what is this? This is incredible, dude. God damn, I mean the size of it. How is he even crazy, bro? Incredible. I mean, look at that, dude. The size of it. Insane. I salute you, man. To be able to manage that on Indian roads. I didn't even check what passing it had. I mean, he had kitted it up to another level, man. I haven't seen anything that is remotely close to like this on Indian roads. On Indian roads, huh? I mean, of course, there's fully modded vehicles off the road, but I've never encountered anything like this on the road. I can't even imagine how many challans he must have gotten. But I hope he hasn't gotten much, because that is an insane build, dude. Crazy. And it looks very aesthetic in that. It is tastefully done. It is not just done for the sake of it, like he's got money, he's just thrown everything at the wall and just see what sticks. He's actually put thought into it. If you have any online presence, brother, let me know who you are. You've got great taste.
A few inches later.
Hey, look at this guy. Bhai साहब, we've got a bobber. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Monkey bar enthusiast. Monkey bar ही बोलते हैं ना उसको?
कोई कितना गवार हो सकता है? जाहिलियत की भी हद होती.
Damn, bro. I mean, respect, huge respect to you, bro, for being able to ride it. I want to see how he squeezes through the traffic. Very nicely built bullet, though.
Respect.
Well done, buddy. Well done. I mean, respect to you. To ride it into traffic like that. I wouldn't have been able to. I mean, you never know. You get eventually used to things. Is that a G-Wagon? God damn! It's a beautiful ass color as well. God damn. Wow. What a beautiful color, man. What a beautiful color. Crazy, bro. देखो यही आते ही Christmas vibes शुरू already.
Beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Hey, that's a Defender over there. God damn. Is it a car scene? Car spotting right today. Look at that. Beautiful black Defender. 130, right? Damn. भाई चर्च में चल रहा है कुछ तो. Christmas Eve. I don't really know the specifics of Christian things, but कुछ तो चल रहा है भाई. Hey, should I put on that hat?
Oh my god.
Should I do that thing? The cringiest thing a biker can ever do. A Santa Claus cap. Well, I have nothing to give except for doing ho ho ho. Ramba ho 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 ho. अरे Santa जी और श्रीमती Santa जा रहे. And I had this kind of a thing where I wanted to wear that cap, but now it is so overused in biking community. It'll feel very cringe. So which is why I'm not putting it on now. मेरे को था यार 2-3 साल पहले तक I wanted to do it. ऐसा nicely stick it on your helmet and then ride along. सोच के आज कुछ ज़्यादा ही crazy कर लिया मैंने. I remember me taking Lavia and Ollie on this road. Man, I still remember her saying, "What are you doing with us?" See, usually it is this crowded. It is crowded, but this is the max limit of it. That day it happened so that अरे ये दिल जला देखो भाई पूरा. He's using the length and breadth of the road. पूरा टैक्स का पैसा वसूल कर रहा है भाई. Anyway, what I'm saying was it is this crowded, but the day that we decided to ride down this road, man, it was so damn crowded. Poor thing, she was so confident about her riding skills in Mumbai. Little did she know, she hasn't even had the taste of it, and she finally did. Only 10% batteries remaining. I don't even have extra batteries. God damn. I did not change my batteries before leaving. God damn. How much battery do I have in this one? कितना है भाई? है फिर भी ठीक ठाक. साला मेन चीज़ पे पहुंच गया और बैटरी लो हो गई. बताओ. Someone called me. I felt like I heard someone. The fuck, dude. All thanks to engine braking, I guess. Is he the one that called me out? Looks like, I don't know. Are you the one that yelled my name now?
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Anurag.
Yeah, I felt like I heard. What's your name?
I am Vaikash.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Finally seeing this bike.
Yeah. You also rode in. What do you ride?
I ride a Hunter. I'm teaching my friend over there.
Okay, you're teaching him. Well, very nice. No, but was it you that yelled? Because someone yelled my name over there. Okay. Yeah, absolutely. Go for it, man.
Bruh.
Wow, I had all this while I had open. I just fueled up. Hi. Yes, yes. Chalo, nice to meet you, bro. See you around. Ride safe. अच्छा, you were the one that yelled my name. हाँ, वही. मैं वही सोच रहा हूँ. कोई तो मेरे को सुनाई दिया अनुराग बोलते हुए. What's your name? Nice to meet you, bro. हाँ? हाँ हाँ चालू है ना. चलो भाई, pleasure meeting you.
आपका कौन सा एग्जॉस्ट है?
ये SS मोटोकॉप है. Yes. फुल सिस्टम है ये.
आपने यूसी रीमैप किया है?
रीमैप नहीं, पिगी बैक है. चलो, नाइस टू मीट यू ब्रो. चलो भाई, अनुराग, नाइस टू मीट यू. हाय.
मीच आवाज दिला तुला तिकडे.
अच्छा तू मी मगाचपासून तिघांना भेटलोय, सगळ्यांना विचारतोय तू दिलास का आवाज, तू दिलास, तो सगळे हा म्हणतात.
मी तुझी स्टोरी बघितली.
आता मी बाजूला घेतो गाडी. हा, अच्छा तू स्टोरी बघितलीस.
मी तुझी स्टोरी तू ब्रेकिंग करणार तुला सिटी राईड साठी ना. पॅन्ड्राचं नाही जाणार. पॅन्ड्राला ऑलरेडी खूप I just did.
Oh hi, thanks. Ride safe, best of luck for your new ride. Yes, helmet पहन के सीखना अगली बार. चलो, see you भाई. काय नाव तुझं?
हर्षवर्धन.
ओके, नाईस. कुठे राहतो? इकडे जवळच राहतोस?
माईमला राहतो.
अच्छा, माहीमवरनं आलास?
दादा आहे की
हां,
आहे की
आता मी तेच विचारत होते कुठे एक्सप्लोअर करायचं अजून. मला हे बूट्स पण मला हे करायचे होते, ब्रेक इन करायचे होते, म्हणून म्हटलं चल एक सिटी राईड मारूया. आणि क्रिसमस पण आहे ना आपलं, बघूया काय आहे कुठे. पण इकडे तर आई शपथ ही बघ. SLC 43. अरे सेक्सी यार, क्रेझी ब्रो. तू काय राईड करतोस?
सेम
हां, कुठे?
तिकडेच लावली. वेल्ला
अच्छा.
लावायला पाहिजे.
ओ, क्या लग गया?
हा लग गया रे.
हाय. अरे हां, याला भेटलोय मी. हां. राईट आपण भेटलेलो. येस आठवतंय मग. हां, राईट.
हमारी ग्रुप के अनुराग.
अच्छा, ओके. सही है. ओके ब्रो, चलो बाय. कुठे आहे तुझी गाडी? चल ना बस जाऊया तिकडेच. क्या बात है भाई, सेक्सी. अरे हे माझे असे पण होते आधी काय हे मिरर्स क्लासिकला.
A few moments later.
हाय, बढ़िया. क्या नाम है आपका?
श्रेया.
नाइस टू मीट यू भाई.
कैसे हो?
बढ़िया. यस, थैंक यू भाई. थैंक यू भाई, नाइस टू मीट यू.
तो आप
बढ़िया.
ऑफिस
चल रहा है बस. राइट सेफ. तुझं नाव काय विचारलो मी? हर्षवर्धन. ओके. ए, व्हेरी नाइस. Sounds so lovely. Sounds very nice. Man's living the life, huh? I don't even know what model is that, but sounds absolutely smooth and like I don't know how to express it. It's just very smooth. Look at how beautiful this stock GT looks. Such bikes now look very nice in the night. The chrome, it shines in the yellow lights of Mumbai, dude. It's beautiful. It's made for these roads. Guys, please tell me what motorcycle was that? It was very smooth. It exuded aura. That motorcycle. I wish he wore a helmet, but then it shows by his choices. He's a very free living person. But what a nice peaceful ride, na? Don't feel like going home. Good. That's how it should be. See, this is the right kind of influence that I want to make. ही येलो लाइट्स मध्ये काय मस्त वाटते रे, क्रोम एकदम चमकते मस्त. Feels so nice, dude. Looks damn nice, man. Very nice. Well, I just realized again that this is the end of the year 2025, dude. I mean, well, just like one of those cliche things to say. Just didn't realize when the year came to an end, right? पलक झपकते ही खत्म. But so many things have happened. अपना recap करने के लिए तो मेरे को याद भी नहीं है कि क्या क्या हुआ है, कितना कुछ किया है, so much हुआ है. And I apologize for not being consistent throughout. But trust me guys, I'm genuinely trying to take out time and make videos and edit them. Making videos is not a big deal, dude. Editing them is like a task. But yeah, I'm genuinely trying. Maybe this is the right time to make this resolution, the new year resolution thing, huh? Now this year, the next year I'm going to be fully consistent, huh? Every week one new video. अरे मला ते एक चर्च बघायचं, इकडे चर्च आहे ना. हां, हे काय चालू आहे ना इकडे. चल इकडेच लावूया. आय एम प्लॅनिंग टू टेक माय बाईक अप देअर. बँड पाईप हल्लीच चेंज केला मी. हां तू इकडून कुठे राहतोस?
मी राहायच्या माहिती आहे हॉस्पिटल.
हां
त्याच एरियामध्ये.
अच्छा, सही आहे, निघूया मग. चलो बाय, थँक्यू बाय फॉर द टाइम. आपली आज इम्प्रॉम्प्टू राईड झाली, कशी शॉर्ट एकदम.
इच्छा होती
एक्झॅक्टली.
दादा सिद्धिविनायकला बोलतो.
चलो मग, चल सी यू, बाय बाय. ब्यूटीफुल बाइक, ब्यूटीफुल. चलो अपना क्रिसमस हो गया और राइड का राइड. I've got very little battery remaining, but any which ways, that's just my way of life. But I hope you liked this little short ride in the city. I wish you all a happy new year and a merry ulta ho gaya. I wish you all a merry Christmas and a happy new year. Well, the year has come to an end, but our videos will never go extinct. I'll keep posting and I'll make this a resolution that next year I'll be very consistent.
26 में तो दुनिया खत्म है.
Abhi it's going to be this one boring ass Western Express highway with all the bumps. I'll see you next year guys. Hasta la vista, Shubhratri, Shab Khair. और देखते रहिए कौन बनेगा करोड़पति द्वितीय.
बोनस.
मी तरी कुठे येतो, मला व्हॉल्यूमला आहे ना. अरे प्रेस नाही होत. आला पण तो ब्लरी आला असणार. तू पण असा माणसाला सांगतोयस ना सेल्फी घ्यायला. बघा आता आलाय काय. आलाय चांगला आलाय.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Why are we
अरे
still
टाइमर.
here? Just to suffer.
चलो भाई.
So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakarai.